Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Juice Cosmetics Nail Paint Combo Pack of 5. 450 rupees is the price. Non-sponsored video. I had bought this from Flipkart for 284 rupees in the offers. Available on Flipkart, Amazon, smytten, myntra. Total 5 colors are there. Green, yellow, orange, mauve, pink or purple, sky blue. Some nail paints are nicely pigmented like orange and light blue or the sky blue, but yellow and the green are quite thin in consistency, lightly pigmented. Yellow and green nail paints are also good, but we have to reapply like 2 to 3 times to achieve proper color or the pigmentation. So if you are buying single nail paint, then choose accordingly. I had bought the whole set, so now I will use all of them. Quality is good. It does not feel cheap like we buy on the roads in 30 to 40 rupees or 20 rupees. The quality of these nail paints is good as compared to those nail paint. Those nail paints damaging nail enamel, making nails more brittle. Better to skip the nail paints. I didn't impress much, but quite okay kind of product. You can share which nail paints you like in the comment section below. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.